Prophet Sulaiman alayhi salam and the communicating ants. Prophet Sulaiman alayhi salam had the unique ability to communicate with animals and also hear them communicating. Once, when he was marching with his army, a colony of ants happened to be in his way. One of the ants quickly warned the rest. "O ants, enter your dwellings that you may not be crushed by Prophet Sulaiman alayhi salam and his soldiers while they perceive not." Prophet Sulaiman alayhi salam smiled, amused at the ants' speech. He then made a dua to Allah. "My Almighty, enable me to be grateful for your favor, which you have bestowed upon me and upon my parents, and to do righteousness of which you approve. Admit me by your mercy into the ranks of your righteous servants." Prophet Sulaiman alayhi salam was impressed by the way the ants communicated and thanked Allah for all his blessings. The wisdom of the story: ants are known to communicate with each other through chemical signals, sounds, and touch. Isn't that amazing? It is amazing also that Prophet Sulaiman alayhi salam could hear them. Subhanallah. All glory be to Allah. The ant had the good intention to save the other ants, in which many people see as a good example.